Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing a premium extra problem because I don't know, today's problem was one that we've done before, so let's get to it. Hopefully this isn't an MP problem this time. In fact, it's a easy problem, so let's hopefully we're able to get it without too many mistakes. Because I'm laughing because you know me, I've been making a lot of silly mistakes lately. Yeah, today's problem is 1176 diet plan performance. How convenient! I just started on a bulk diet. Those of you who are interested, like the two of you, um, those of you who are interested, may what am I saying? I did squats today, so that's why my brain isn't working that well. I did 5 sets of 270 pounds at 5 reps, so I'm like really exhausted, barely can walk. But hopefully I get to that 315, and then maybe do it for reps, and then I don't know, try to do other things in my life maybe. But anyway, let's actually look at this problem. So a diet that consumes calories I on the ith day. Okay, that's too few calories maybe, but it's okay. Given an integer k for every consecutive sequences of k days, they look at the total calorie consumed during the sequence of k days. If t is less than lower, they perform poorly and lose 1 point. Okay. So basically, if one, we just look at individual ones, and then okay. I mean, this is kind of a hard easy, isn't it? I mean, it's not that bad. It's just that let's look at n. Okay, I just want to make sure that we couldn't do an n square because this is a easy. That's the only part that I'm confused about, or at least just confused about with respect to expectations. I mean, this is a very standard-ish sliding window problem, but I would imagine it to be like more of a medium maybe. But that's okay. I mean, I don't know. It is what it is. Maybe it's a hard, easy these days. But yeah. But this is a sliding window, but basically you're just sliding to get this you can actually do it the other way as well. You actually do prefix sum, but I'm going to do it with sliding window. But basically the idea is that, the sum of the components, and then if you have a sum of the array, when you shift it to the right one, then you get the difference, right? You can calculate the difference and then get the new sum in O of 1. And because of that, then you can get everything in the same time. So yeah, okay. So maybe I have a current is equal to 0. And then current we add it to calories sub I. If I minus k is greater than 0, current minus calories sub I minus k, and then now we check to see that I minus k plus 1 is greater than 0. I write this way awkwardly, but basically it's saying that if we have it, look at current would represent at least k values in this case. So yeah, I think so, unless I'm missing it. No, this should be right. I do get this wrong a lot, but this time I think I'm okay. But yeah, if current is lower, then we lose a point. If current is greater than upper, then they gain a point. Otherwise, return points. What does perform on the diet mean? This is such a weird thing to kind of like use dieting and then like this makes no sense unless this is a bulking thing, I guess. But yeah, this is a easy, but I think this is kind of honestly a little bit of a tricky of a easy. Maybe not. I think the other way to do it, the way that I did it is with sliding window. Definitely practice this way, but if you already did it this way, then try prefix sum as well. Both of them are they do come up a lot these days, so definitely is a good place to do them. The problem with, not a problem, but a little bit suboptimal thing about prefix sum is that it's going to be linear time, linear space, where sliding windows is also linear time, but constant space, as you can see from here. So yeah, that's what I have with this one. I don't get all the downloads. Is there something weird that I don't know about? Yeah, this one is linear time constant space, but why are people downloading it? This is confusing. I don't think that's confusing, but it is weird, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's a. I mean, it's a pretty standard problem with sliding windows, so I don't think it's a bad problem. But I don't know. I don't know why there's so many downloads. I guess that's what I was trying to look at. But anyway, that's all I have for today. So stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.